Can a mini drone actually deliver smooth shots and stable flight, or is it just another toy? Today on Caring Guy, we're testing the Airy 100 mini drone, a compact, budget-friendly drone that promises some surprisingly powerful features. Right out of the box, the Airy 100 looks clean and minimal with its sleek gray design. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect to carry anywhere. Literally fits in your bag without any hassle. But don't let the size fool you. This little drone comes with dual HD cameras with a 90-degree adjustable angle, giving you flexibility to capture both wide aerial shots and forward views easily. Now here's where it gets interesting. The optical flow positioning system helps the drone maintain stable hovering even if you're a beginner. So instead of shaky flying, you get smoother control and better shots. And yes, it can do 360-degree flips, perfect for fun tricks, quick social media clips, or just impressing your friends. It uses a 2.4 GHz anti-interference signal, which means more stable control and fewer signal drops during your flight. The modular battery design makes it super easy to swap and recharge. No complicated setup, just plug and play. So whether you're capturing quick travel shots, learning to fly, or just having fun, this drone is designed to keep things simple and enjoyable. Let's quickly break it down. Compact and portable design, dual HD cameras with adjustable angle, stable hover with optical flow, fun 360-degree flips, beginner-friendly controls. Not bad for a mini drone, right? So, is the Airy 100 mini drone worth it? If you're a beginner or just want a fun, affordable drone, this might be exactly what you're looking for. But if you're expecting professional-level footage, you may want to step up to a higher-end model. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Caring Guy for more awesome tech and drone content. And tell me in the comments, would you fly this mini drone?